Then comes what is healthy diet. So healthy diet is know what you eat. Fresh fruits, home cooked meals lead to less salt, sugar, healthier option like atta, different organic oils, palm sugar. Okay, so eat mostly when you eat at home, you know what you are adding, how much oil you are adding, how much salt you are adding, and what kind of grain you are using. And you don't know if the oil is, if you eat from outside or you order from outside, you don't know how much time they have used the oil, reused it again. So better keep it occasionally. I'm not saying to just eat at home. We've been eating at home from last 2-3 months, but sometimes it's good to have. But keep it like a special. Don't if you have it every day, it's not special. So eat as much as possible at home, and you know how much oil you are adding. See, I personally feel one thing. What I do, somebody was asking how much oil should we add. So that much oil that when you wash your plates, now these days you must be washing your plates, so you know when you wash your plates you don't need any soap. I don't need any detergent or whatever dishwash liquid and all. So plate should be washed just with water. That kind of healthy food you can have. I use palm sugar or jaggery, Himalayan salt we buy at the rocks crushed and we then grind it by ourselves, and turmeric, ginger, garlic, green chilies, and cinnamon. I make my own cinnamon powder, cumin powder. It's just getting back to olden times, how grandparents used to do, and Ayurveda also says that thing, and we are from the land of Ayurveda, so better. Once it's become famous, it goes abroad. Like turmeric has went abroad and it came in pills and all, and turmeric was always here in India. So you should be very well connected with your food. It's very difficult to grow your own food, but at least you can buy and cook by yourself. And last point is like, not last, but conscious eating. If you eat consciously, you stop when you are full. And yeah, it's very important. I also normally, I don't watch TV and all, but sometimes I used to be on my phone or I'll be chatting. It's difficult, but when I remember when I was in China for 50-60 days for one movie with Vikram sir, so we used to have our rice and with fork and spoon, but I saw Chinese people were having with chopsticks. So that's the thing, that if you eat with chopstick, you'll eat slowly. So the food which you are supposed to eat in, basically, which we eat in 10 minutes, it will take 20 minutes. You must have experienced this when you go for a buffet. In 20-30 minutes, whatever you can eat, you will eat. Otherwise, it's not that stomach is full. You get full psychologically. So try to do that. Chew your food. For that, you have to make cooked and uncooked, little half-cooked vegetables so that you can chew. And vegetable is very important. Don't just make a paste of the cooked vegetable. And vegetable is very important, because rice it's too small, it's too tiny, we can't chew it. So chew your food. A lot of time, olden days they used to say 32 times, but I have not tried 32 times and all. But enjoy it. Let your digestive enzymes release in your mouth itself. That what happen when you chew also. When you don't chew, there are no digestive enzyme released. That's why people feel acidic and then they take a pill and all. So that's a different thing. And when you chew it also, so like in the work which is happening in the mixer, it is happening in your mouth. So everything is coming out of your body, it goes, then it digests also properly. So that is conscious eating. I may have repeated it again, but it's okay, no problem. Last. And why diet without movement doesn't work? This is